So, you're interested in learning how to create a Power BI project? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your very own Power BI project. Step 1. Define your project requirements. Before diving into Power BI, it's essential to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve with your project. Are you looking to create interactive dashboards, generate data visualizations, or analyze large datasets? Clearly defining your project requirements will help you stay focused and ensure that you're creating something that will meet your needs. Step 2. Gather and organize your data. Power BI is all about data analysis, so it's crucial to have a reliable and well-structured dataset. Take some time to identify the data sources you'll be using, whether it's stored in Excel spreadsheets, databases, or cloud-based services. Clean and organize your data to ensure its accuracy and consistency. Step 3. Create a new Power BI project. Open Power BI Desktop, and from the Start page, select Create a new report, or Open other reports, if you have an existing project you want to work on. This will launch the Power BI interface where you can start building your project. Step 4. Import and transform your data. Power BI allows you to import data from various sources. Select the appropriate data source and connect it to Power BI. Once connected, you can transform your data using Power Query Editor. This will enable you to clean, transform, and shape your data so that it becomes suitable for analysis. Step 5. Build your visualization. Now that you have your data in Power BI, it's time to bring it to life with visualizations. Power BI offers a wide range of visualization options like charts, graphs, and maps. Select the appropriate visualization type based on your data and drag and drop it onto the canvas. Customize the visualizations by adding filters, slicers, and interactions to make them more interactive and insightful. Step 6. Create relationships between your data. If you're working with multiple datasets, it's crucial to establish relationships between them. This will allow you to combine data from different sources and create more comprehensive analyses. Use the Manage Relationships option in Power BI to define and configure these relationships. Step 7. Publish and share your project. Once you're satisfied with your Power BI project, it's time to share it with others. Publish your report to the Power BI service, where you can create dashboards, add additional visualizations, and share it with specific users or groups. You can also embed your report into websites or applications for wider accessibility. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to create a Power BI project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment, explore different features, and continuously refine and improve your projects. With Power BI, the possibilities are endless, so happy creating!